So ngayon, reviewin natin yung mga lessons na discuss natin. So, by the way, shout out daw sa BSN 1A. O baka naiingit ang BSN 1B, BSN 1C, saka BSN 1D. So mamaya na yung iba, baka mamaya magtampo. So mag-review muna tayo. So, question dito, what is the union of sets A, 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to 3, 4, 5? So, when we say union, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-combine nyo lang yung mga elements ng A at saka B. Since ang pinapahanap naman is union of A and B. At tandaan nyo, kapag may kapareho, isang beses nyo lang siya isusulat. So, ibig sabihin, ang A union of B or the elements of A union of B are 1, 2, 3. Since may 3 dito, no need to write number 3. So next number is 4 and 5. Therefore, A union of B are, or the elements of A union of B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ganyan lang po yung union. Kapag intersection naman, ang ibig sabihin naman ng intersection, kukunin nyo lang yung common elements niya. So for example, kunin natin yung A intersection B. So hahanapin nyo lang yung common elements niya. Ano ba yung common sa A and B? The common element is number 3 only. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to 3. Tandaan, kapag intersection, yung common element lang po ang kukunin nyo from set A and set B. Next question po tayo. So, if A is equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 10, what is A? So, ang tinatanong dito, kung ano daw yung mga elements ng A using prime numbers less than 10. So, tandaan, ang ibig sabihin ng prime number, yung factor niya is 1 and itself only. At hindi kasama yung 1. So, ibig sabihin, yung 2, 3, yung 4 hindi siya kasama because 4 is not a prime number. Next to 4 is 5. So, 5 is a prime number. 6, hindi siya kasama because 6 is not a prime number because 6 times, 3 times 2 is 6. Then, 7. 8 and 9 hindi rin kasama. Since less than 10 yan, so ang tamang sagot ay 2, 3, 5, and 7. So, ganyan lang po kadali yung pagkuha ng elements. Next naman po, in a survey of 100 students, 60 study math, 45 study physics, 30 study both math and physics. So the question is, how many students study only math? So para masagutan to, mag-drawing kayo ng Venn diagram. So meron tayong dalawang sets dito, math and physics. So mag-drawing tayo ng circle na naka-overlap. O, pasensya na kung masyadong maganda yung drawing ko. Ha? So, sabi 30 study both math and physics, ibig sabihin, meron kang 30 dito na intersection. Nandito po. Ito yung math nyo, ito yung physics. So, sabi, 60 study math. Since may 30 ka na dito, yung 60 susubtract nyo sa 30, and 60 minus 30 is equal to 30. Drawing muna natin yung Venn diagram bago natin sagutin yung tanong. Next, 45 study physics. So, meron tayong 30 dito. So, 45 minus 30 is 15. So, 30 plus 30 plus 15 is 75. Since 100 students in survey, may natitirang 25. Ibig sabihin, yung 25 hindi nag-aaral ng math and physics. Now, ang tanong, how many students study only math? So, Only mat lang po ang tanong, ibig sabihin meron lang 30. So ang sagot dito ay 30. So ganyan lang po kadali sagutin yung ganyang question. Next question po tayo. Oh, these are regular, repeated. Oh, pakibasa na lang kung magaling kayong magbasa. Ano kayang sagot dito? Sige nga, hulaan nyo nga. O shout out daw sa mga BSTM1A, tsaka BSTM1B, tsaka BSHM1A, tsaka BSHM1B. So, yan po. Shout out daw. Ano sagot nyo dito? O, nagpapa-shout out daw ulit. BSCE1A, BSCPE1A, and then BEED, tsaka BPE. Yan, baka kasi maingit sila. Pag may nakalimutan ako, mag-comment na lang, ha? Ayan. Ang sagot po dito ay pattern. So next question po tayo. So which of the following ordered pairs shows a not a baliktad. Shows not a function siya. Sorry baka nag-ano lang ako. So, ang tinatanong dito, kung ano daw dito yung not a function, ang titingnan nyo lang po yung x, yung mga x lang po ang titingnan nyo. Kapag may kapareho, ibig sabihin, hindi siya function. Etong 1, 2, 3, so function siya. Tingnan natin itong letter C. So A, B, C, function din siya. So both A and C daw, ibig sabihin mali. Ang sagot dito ay B. Bakit B? Kasi po merong dalawang 1. Pareho ng input. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya function. Tandaan, kapag function, dapat magkakaiba ang inputs. Magkakaibang X, magkakaiba ang domain. So yan po ang sagot, letter B. Okay, shout out. Shout out daw po sa BSIT GD1A tsaka BSIT GD1B. Meron pa ba ako di nababanggit? Baka kasi magtampo. Okay, next question tayo. Dito po, what is the missing number? Ito. Hanapin nyo lang yung pattern. What is the missing number? Hanapin yung pattern. So, 2, 6, 18, 54. This is geometric sequence. May common ratio siya. Try nyo. 6 divided by 2, 3 siya. 18 divided by 6, 3 din siya. And 54 divided by 18, 3 din siya. So, may common ratio tayo na 3. Now, since the common ratio is 3, to get the next number, i-multiply nyo lang yung 54 and 3. And 54 times 3 is equal to 162. So, yan po ang tanong. 162 po. So, ganyan lang po kadali yan. Hanapin nyo lang po yung pattern niya. May, yan dapat alam na alam nyo yung pattern and sequence. So, 162 siya. No birds are mammals. All bats are mammals. Therefore, ano sagot dito? Anong sagot po? Meron pa ba ako nakalimutan sa shout out? Nabanggit ko na ba lahat? Yung mga nanonood dyan. Sino pa ba? BSN1A, BSN1B, BSN1C, BSN1D, BSTM1A, BSTM1B, BSHM1A, BSHM1B, BSIT-GD1A, BSIT-GD1B, BSCE1A, BSCPE1A. Meron pa ba? Baka mamaya magtampo. O yung mga engineering na 4th year daw, shout out daw dyan. Ayan. Ano sagot dito? O, may choices tayo. Ano kayang sagot? O, i-comment na lang kung anong sagot ha. I-comment nyo po kung anong sagot. O, tingnan natin itong next question. The daily cost to the manufacturing company is modeled by the function C of x is equal to 7.25x plus 25, where C of x is the total daily cost and x is the number of items manufactured. Find C of 1. So, ang pinapahanap po ay C of 1. O, wag malilito ha. Given naman yung equation na C of x, ito po yung gagamitin nating equation. And then, papalitan nyo lang po yung value ng x na 1. So, plug in the value of x, which is what? So, ang mangyayari dyan, 7.25 times 1. Then, i-add nyo lang yung 2,500. So, 2,500 plus 7.25 is equal to 2,507.25. So, nag-add at nag-multiply lang tayo. Next. F of x is equal to 2x minus 3 and g of x is equal to x minus 3. Find f times g of 0. Ang technique dito, since 0 naman siya, i-cancel nyo na to. I-cancel nyo na rin to. Kasi 0 daw sila eh. So, ang matitira dito, negative 3. Ang matitira dito, negative 3. And this is multiplication. So, negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Ganun na yung mga technique. Diba? Kapag 0, cancel nyo na. Then, yung remaining na lang ang simplify nyo. Ito, patterns that build into a simple repetitive shapes that are reduced in size every time they are repeated. Pinag-aralan to. Ano pong sagot dito? Shout out daw sa mga education, tsaka sa BPE. Ang sagot po dito ay fractal patterns. Ito tayo. What is A union of B if A is equal to 8, B is equal to 7, and A intersection B is equal to 4? So, ang gagawin nyo lang kapag union, addition siya. Then, kapag intersection, subtraction siya. So, ang magiging sagot nyo dito, 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7 minus 4. So, 8 plus 7 is 15 minus 4, 11. So, ang sagot po dyan ay 11. So, panoorin nyo lang to para ma-review kayo. So, maraming salamat.